Hello everyone, are you confused about how to create an account on ASOS app? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. Before we get into our video, make sure to download your ASOS app, and if you are not sure about how to download your ASOS app, then you can go and check out our another video that has been posted previously. Now moving on to our tutorial on how to create ASOS app. The first thing we're going to do is open our ASOS app. Right after opening your ASOS app, here as you can see, there is the option deliver to. Here on the deliver to option, you will be able to see your country name. If the country name is incorrect, then you can simply tap on change option. And on the very first option, here you can see deliver to. After tapping on deliver to, here as you can see, there are all the countries listed here according to the alphabet. If you can't find your country, then you can simply tap on the search bar on the very top and type your country's name and tap on OK. Right after choosing your country's name, on the below you'll have to choose your gender. Once you're on the home page, here on the left hand side corner on the top, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. After tapping on the hamburger option, there on the very top, you'll be able to see sign in. Here you'll have to tap on sign in. Once you have tapped on sign in, there are two options on the very top, that's sign in and join. Since we're creating a ASOS account, then we'll have to tap on join. If you already have an existing account, you can simply go with the sign in process. For now, we'll be tapping on join. Here you can sign up with your Google account, your Apple or your Facebook account. On the below, you can also sign up using your email address. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on creating your ASOS account using your email address. Here you'll have to firstly type your email address. Once you're done typing your email address, scroll down and type your first name and type your last name. Once you're done typing your email address, your first name and your last name, here you'll have to type in your password. Make sure to create a password that is secure enough and something that you can remember easily. After that, scroll down and here as you can see, the date of birth category is optional. Similarly, they're mostly interested in is also optional. Here you'll have to tap on join ASOS. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully created your ASOS account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.